We are presented with an equation that contains two variables, 5x plus 3y equals 3. Additionally, we are tasked with evaluating an expression that incorporates exponents, 32 to the power of x plus 8 to the power of y. What makes this problem particularly intriguing is that both 32 and 8 are powers of 2. 32 is 2 to the power of 5, 8 is 2 to the power of 3. Your task is to rewrite the entire expression using only powers of 2, and then apply the given equation to simplify the final exponent. This puzzle cleverly connects algebra with exponent rules. Experiment with transforming the numbers and see what exponent you arrive at. Okay, let's solve this together. One would rewrite 32 and 8 as powers of 2. We know 32 is 2 to the power of 5. Also, 8 is 2 to the power of 3. So, let's rewrite the expression using this. 32 to the power of x cross 8 to the power of y equals 2 to the power of 5 to the power of x cross 2 to the power of 3 to the power of y. Now we need to apply exponent rules. There's a rule in math that says, a to the power of m to the power of n is a to the power of m by n. So we do this. 2 to the power of 5 to the power of x is 2 to the power of 5x. n. 2 to the power of 3 to the power of y is 2 to the power of 3y. Now we multiply them. 2 to the power of 5x cross 2 to the power of 3y. We have prepaid things well, and now we can add the exponents, since the base is the same. When you multiply with the same base, you add the exponents. 2 to the power of 5x plus 3y. Using the given equation, we were told 5x plus 3y is 3. So just plug that in, and we have 2 to the power of 5x plus 3y is 2 to the power of 3, which is 8. Final answer is 8. And correct options, B. Please make sure that you subscribe here, because subscribing to my channel will boost your math skills by 73%. Just saying.